chapter 2 again. Last time I did escape, so today I'm here to do helicopter escape in easy mode. Let's start without wasting over any time. Alright. Last time I escaped in day 1. I think I will do day 1 escape. I want to do actually. Day 1. Alright. Let's go. Let's go up. In this drawer, duct tape. Oh great. There grandpa is. Now let's go. Let's check here. I hope I get stun gun. Alright, nothing in here. Let's just go. I hope grandpa isn't there. Yeah, grandpa isn't there. Alright. Let's check this. Okay, nothing. Alright, let's go and check this one. Alright, helicopter key. There granny is. And I think she saw me. I'll just open this because it will be easy for me. I hope grandpa is not coming. Alright. Nothing. Alright, I want stun gun, padlock key. Yeah, we need it. But not now. Oh sorry, I don't need it because I'm doing helicopter escape. Oh, one piece of picture is near the bed. And great. Stun gun. Just throw all this for making sound. Now granny will come. Granny come. I made sound. There she is. She's so fast. Alright. Grandpa, where are you? Granny is dead. Come on, what happened to this? Really fine. Grandpa, where is grandpa? He's not coming. Grandpa, come. Grandpa, come. Granny. Hey, Granny, what's up? Chilling? Oh no. Granny disappeared, but grandpa didn't come still now. Where is this grandpa? There is. Oh, grandpa. There I am. Shoot. Yeah, great. I'm gonna take security key. Grandpa, give me the security key. Yeah, there it is. I'll just throw it here. Take the piece of picture. Throw it here. Take another piece of picture. Alright. Alright, let's take the stun gun and check the side. Great, I found crowbar. Alright. I'll just throw this here. Alright, I think Granny is awake. That's why I'm gonna just throw it. Yeah, she's not coming from here. Alright, totally fine. Granny, come. Granny, Granny, come. Yeah. Ah, there she is. Hi, Granny. Want one more shot? Here you go. Give me the ammo and die. Grandpa, where are you? Come on. Granny is dead. Now your turn to die. Where is he? Alright, he's not coming. Why is he not coming? Grandpa, this is not correct. You're wasting my time. Oh my gosh, I need to take the crowbar. If Grandpa suddenly comes, I can't take the stun gun again. Oh no. I'll just open this. Yeah. Done. Now Grandpa. Ah, there he is. Shoot. What is this? Oh no. Alright, there you do, guys. Oh no. Okay. I have more 3 days. But it's totally fine. Check the drawer. Duct tape. Alright. I think Granny is. Oh no. Grandpa is down and Granny is up. Why is he moving so fast? I think he's angry. Angry. Oh no, there he is. Oh no! I hope Grandpa doesn't beat me. Phew. I'm very angry on you, Grandpa. You bet me last game. In last day. Right? Grandpa's not there. Let's just stand up. Bye, Grandpa. Okay, one more piece of picture is there. I need wrench for it. Ah, there Granny is. Oh no, Granny saw me. Oh no, they are keeping security here only because they know that I will be here. Granny, go, go, go. Granny, go, go, go. Granny, please go. Ah, yeah. Alright, she's gone. Yeah, she's there. Let's wait here. I hope she doesn't keep a bear trap. Alright, she didn't keep a bear trap. Go, go. Why is she there? Standing there. She is gone now. I wanna go up, but I can't go. Open this. Oh yeah, helicopter key. I'll just throw it here because there Granny is. Oh my god, she's very fast. There she is. Saw me, she saw me. I hope Grandpa doesn't come. Let's take the security key. Yeah, Grandpa is not there. Where did I keep the stun gun? Yeah, here. Let's take the stun gun and oh no, the ammo went flying here. There Grandpa is. I'll take the ammo fast because I made sound. Granny will also come now. Yeah, there she is. Alright, done. Let's just throw it and take the crowbar. Let's go. Something useful. Okay, cutting pliers. Let's just throw it here. Okay, I'll just keep it in. Let's keep everything here in. I want one more piece of picture that is near that spider, the child of Slenderina. Alright, let's take the cutting pliers. Keep it down. I want weapon key. Alright, let's take the stun gun. Go down with the crowbar. Alright, let's just throw this stun near downstairs, not here, downstairs. Alright, throw it here. Done. Now I need gasoline can and one more piece of picture. I think the gasoline can is in the bathroom or in the safe. Wrench. Alright. Helicopter manual. Okay, I need just two things now. That is gasoline can and a piece of picture. Yeah, if I do this work, I'll need only the gasoline can. Alright, done. I think Granny and Grandpa are awake. But let's just take the piece of picture without killing the creature. Alright. I hope I'll just take the stun gun because I don't want to take risk. Yeah, there she is. Hi Granny. How are you, Granny? Bye, Granny. Give me the ammo, Granny. Hi Grandpa. Bye, Grandpa. Give me the ammo, Grandpa. Alright, let's just throw it here. Take the piece of picture. Go up. Done. I just need gasoline can. Okay, I'll take the crowbar. Where is it? Yeah, here. Open this and just jump down. Alright, let's go fast before Granny and Grandpa wakes up. Right, our stun gun is here. I hope I get weapon key. Alright. Let's just throw it here. I need gasoline can. Okay, I'll take the stun gun and go up. What happened? Yeah. Here I am. I'll just close the door for some time and come up for gasoline can. Something useful? Alright, not useful. Throw it, take it, go up. Throw it, get it, go up. Is somebody there? No, not there. Alright, take it, go up, drop it. Okay, I'll just take the piece of picture. I think they woke up. So if I go down, if Granny beat me, I'll go in day 3. Let's check. Oh great, weapon key. I'll just throw down here. Drop. Oh no. Yeah, there it is. Now drop. Yeah. I think Granny is here. I'll just take the stun gun and go. I'll just aim it. I'll take the hand grenade. Alright, drop. Now Granny will come with the sound of hand grenade. Drop. Granny, what happened? Come. Alright, I think I need to throw something hard that makes sound. Drop. Oh no. There she is. Let's just throw. Oh no. Grandpa is here, but we will. Oh no. Alright. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh no. Day 3. I just need gasoline can. Alright, let's go up. I want gasoline can. I want gasoline can. Yeah, I think I dropped weapon key somewhere. Yeah. Granny, 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 Granny. I don't know why. Why did you do like this?
Do you want to play hide and seek?
No, Granny, no, 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 no. I just want to escape. Hi, Granny, bye, Granny, hi, Granny, bye, Granny. Hi, bye, Granny, Granny, hi, bye, Granny, Granny. She laughs so cruelly. Yes, she is cruel. There she is. Namaste, Granny. Namaste. I'll take the key. Alright, let's go from the stairs. I hope Grandpa doesn't come. Yeah. Alright. Oh no, Grandpa. Phew. Granny. Come, Granny, come. Ah, there she is. Alright, day 4. Oh no. Only 2 days left. Alright, let's go. This granny, grandpa, very angry at you. I just need gasoline can. Yeah. Alright, I want ammo. Ammo. Yeah, I got ammo. Let's go. Granny. There she is. Alright, I need to go near spider baby. But I need ammo. Alright, I'll just go up and take some meat. Oh no need. Yeah, safety. I hope. Alright. Oh, Granny doesn't come before I go up. Fingers crossed. Alright, done. Let's go. Let's go up. Just drop it. I'll just take all the piece of picture, glass views, everything. Alright. After this, I'll go down and take the shotgun. Alright. Yeah, and nobody's there. I need a shotgun. I'm so nervous because it's the last thing, but Granny and Grandpa, I think they're awake. Alright. I'll just shoot Granny and Grandpa one time and do the escape because I'm so scared if they come again. I don't have shotgun in my hands, that's why. Granny, come there. Granny is now gone. Grandpa, where are you? Grandpa, where are you? I'm very angry at you, Grandpa, come fast. Oh no, this deaf man can't hear anything. How late, yaar. Alright. Alright. at last. Alright. Yeah, last and final duct tape. Let's take the piece of picture. Another piece of picture, not helicopter key. Yeah, piece of picture. Alright, I need shotgun. Shotgun ammo, yeah. Oh no. Oh no. Okay. I Alright, wait a second. Okay, sorry. Last one. Oh no, I'm missing it. Sorry, guys. I need ammo. Okay. Done. I'll just drop it. Take the glass fuse. Let's go, let's go, let's go. And bam. Alright. Gasoline can. Yeah. Alright, I'll just open this door. Grandpa has a radio. Yeah, I just need duct tape and helicopter key. Tape. Alright. Let's go. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Yes. Bye, Granny. Bye, Grandpa. Bye bye. The end. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you loved this video. Don't forget to please like, share, subscribe to my channel, Nivriti Thrills, and comment in the comment section. Did you like the video or not? So that's it for today. Bye.